In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create a voice memo and add it within Messages app, use this button at the bottom right corner. Then operate those buttons, this middle one to start recording, and then the same one to stop. You can also, while recording, restart it right away to start over, or attach it. You can also use middle button to listen to it first and then decide. Now, if you want to add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner instead, and tap on Files section. Then you can tap on Audio at the top to look for it faster. You can look for it in one of your apps, or what most people miss, click on those three lines at the top left corner and look for it in one of those sources, like downloads. Either way, once you find it, tap on it to add it and then send it. Now, when it comes to video files, whether you want to create it now or add already existing one, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then to record your video now, operate camera portion of your screen. When you finished, it will be automatically attached, so all you need to do is send it. To add already existing video, hold this line and drag it up to access your gallery. Then find your video and tap on it. Select Done at the bottom right corner and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!